The bush viper, with its striking appearance and venomous bite, is one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Known for its vibrant colors and intricate patterns, this snake is often shrouded in mystery. Native to the dense forests of Africa, the bush viper has adapted to its environment in some truly unique ways. In today's video, we'll explore incredible facts about the bush viper that you probably never knew. From its venomous hunting tactics to its stunning camouflage abilities, the bush viper is full of surprises. So let's dive into the wild world of this elusive and mesmerizing snake. Some indigenous communities have traditional remedies for bush viper bites, though modern medicine remains the best treatment. The mysterious nature of bush vipers is heightened by the fact that many species are known only from a few historic specimens. Their striking appearance and elusive habits have made them a favorite subject among wildlife photographers and documentarians. Despite the danger their venom poses, bush vipers are essential players in their ecosystems, helping to maintain the balance between predator and prey. Bush vipers belong to the genus Atheris, a group found exclusively in tropical sub-Saharan Africa. They are venomous snakes, and every species in this group is capable of delivering a toxic bite. Their habitats range from lowland rainforests to mountainous woodlands. Many bush vipers are entirely arboreal. They spend most of their lives in trees and bushes. Their dorsal scales are strongly keeled, meaning each scale has a raised ridge that gives them a bristly, hairy appearance. This unique scale texture provides excellent camouflage among leaves and branches. Some species possess a shaggy look that makes them appear almost otherworldly. Bush vipers use their prehensile tails to grip branches, helping them navigate the canopy with ease. Their coloration is highly variable, ranging from greens, browns, and olives to sometimes even bright hues like red or yellow. They are masters of camouflage, blending so seamlessly into foliage that they are nearly invisible. Bush vipers are nocturnal hunters, relying on low-light vision and ambush tactics. Their large, forward-facing eyes are adapted for detecting movement during the night. Unlike many vipers, bush vipers lack heat-sensing pit organs. They depend on sight, touch, and smell. Their venom composition is complex, containing neurotoxins, cytotoxins, and fasciculins, and can vary by region. In some cases, individual venom potency varies with altitude, weather, and even the snake's mood. There is no species-specific antivenom for bush vipers. Treatment relies on supportive care and cross-reactive antivenoms. Their venom can cause severe hemorrhaging, internal bleeding, and coagulopathy in victims. Despite their fearsome reputation, bush vipers are generally shy and only strike when threatened. They are ambush predators, lying perfectly still for hours until unsuspecting prey comes within striking distance. Their quick strike is enabled by an unusually large gape and specialized jaw mechanics. Bush vipers give birth to live young, ovoviviparity, rather than laying eggs. The gestation period is often linked to the rainy season, ensuring offspring are born when prey is abundant. A female bush viper can produce between 7 and 12 offspring at a time. Newborn vipers are fully venomous and independent right from birth. Some species undergo rapid color changes as they mature from neonates to adults. Their fragmented, isolated populations contribute to ongoing taxonomic revisions and discoveries. New species of bush viper have been described as recently as 2020, underscoring how much remains to be learned. Their evolutionary history is mysterious. Ancestral snakes once had limbs, before evolving into the legless forms we see today. The peculiar hairy appearance of some species comes from elongated, heavily keeled scales. Bush vipers' scale patterns may include irregular spots, stripes, or a mottled design that enhances their camouflage. They often perch atop flowering bushes, where their colors mimic the surrounding leaves and blossoms. Their prehensile tail functions almost like a fifth limb, allowing them to suspend themselves midair. In captivity, they require vertical, complex environments that mimic their arboreal lifestyle. Their secretive nature means that even herpetologists rarely encounter them in the wild. Bush vipers play a critical role in controlling populations of small mammals, amphibians, and birds. Their venom has become a subject of medical research, with studies exploring potential pharmaceutical applications. Some populations are known only from a handful of specimens, adding an element of mystery to their natural history. The geographic distribution of bush vipers is patchy, often confined to isolated patches of rainforest. Their habitats are increasingly threatened by deforestation and human encroachment. They are sometimes featured in indigenous folklore, where their elusive nature has inspired myth and legend. Some bush viper species exhibit remarkable sexual dimorphism, with females typically being larger than males. Males, however, can be more slender and longer, an adaptation that may aid in searching for mates. Their skulls are built for rapid strikes, with reinforced structures to support their venom-delivering fangs. The fangs of bush vipers are continuously replaced throughout their lifetime. When they strike, the fangs can become embedded in the prey, then later fall out to be replaced by a new set. A bush viper's bite can lead to delayed symptoms, which complicates treatment in human envenomations. Their venom delivery system is highly efficient, injecting toxins deep into the prey's tissues with a single, lightning-fast strike. Some species have been observed tail flicking as a possible lure for prey, mimicking the movement of insects or worms. The shape and number of scale rows along the mid-body are key features used to identify different species. Bush vipers often have a single anal scale, a trait common among viperids. Their heads are broad and triangular, with a distinct separation from the neck. The relative size of the head versus the body may vary between species, affecting how they ambush prey. Bush vipers have an exceptionally low metabolism, which suits their ambush hunting style. Some species are known to bask during moonlit nights to help regulate their body temperature. Their slow metabolic rate also means they can go for long periods without food. Their venom can vary not only by species but also among individuals of the same species. Environmental factors such as humidity and temperature are thought to influence venom toxicity. Their evolutionary adaptations have allowed them to thrive in some of Africa's most challenging and isolated environments. Many bush vipers have only been seen by a handful of researchers, making first-hand observations rare and precious. The mysterious reputation of bush vipers is partly due to the limited amount of field data available on their behavior. Their population numbers are largely unknown due to their elusive nature. Some bush vipers display a unique stridulating behavior, a hissing noise produced by rubbing their serrated scales together when threatened. They are rarely aggressive toward humans unless provoked or cornered. When cornered, bush vipers can strike repeatedly, a behavior that has been documented in captive specimens. Their distribution extends into several African nations, including the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and parts of West Africa. In some areas, bush vipers are the only arboreal viper, making them unique within their ecological niches. Their scale coloration often mimics the light filtering through the forest canopy, an adaptation that enhances their stealth. The way their scales overlap creates a textured pattern that can disrupt the outline of the snake's body. Their eyes are framed by several rows of circumorbital scales, which may help protect the eyes during rapid strikes. The spacing of scales between the eyes and nostrils is a key diagnostic feature for differentiating species. Their reproductive cycles are tightly linked to seasonal changes, particularly the rainy season. Some species have been known to reproduce only once a year, making their population growth slow and their survival even more precarious. Bush vipers are often solitary, coming together only briefly during the mating season. Their courtship behavior includes intricate head and body movements that are still not completely understood. Male bush vipers sometimes perform a side-to-side dance when approaching a potential mate. The unusual behavior of some species, like tail wiggling, suggests they may use mimicry to lure prey. Their venom's ability to cause severe internal hemorrhaging makes even a single bite potentially fatal if not treated promptly. Researchers continue to debate why bush viper venom has evolved such varied compositions across different populations. Their secretive nocturnal habits mean that many aspects of their lives remain shrouded in mystery. The study of bush viper venom has contributed to our understanding of snakebite pathology in humans. Their feeding strategy of wait and strike is among the most energy efficient in the animal kingdom. Some bush vipers have been observed to remain motionless for up to several hours, waiting patiently for prey. Their ability to remain undetected is not just due to camouflage, but also their slow, deliberate movements. The natural history of bush vipers is a field ripe for discovery. New behaviors are still being documented. In captivity, stress can lead bush vipers to refuse food, demonstrating how sensitive they are to environmental changes. Their venom research has revealed that even mild bites, with minimal symptoms, can trigger severe internal effects later. Bush vipers serve as an excellent example of how specialized evolution can lead to extreme adaptations. They are often used as a model in studies examining the evolution of venom in reptiles. Despite their potent venom, bush vipers contribute to the ecological balance by regulating populations of small prey. Their arboreal lifestyle means that when they strike, they can do so from unexpected angles, catching prey off guard. Some species have been nicknamed tree vipers because of their near-exclusive life in the canopy. Their fang morphology, including length and curvature, is finely tuned to deliver venom deep into their target. Bush vipers are known to change posture rapidly from a relaxed, coiled state to a full-on strike position. Their unusual scale structure has attracted interest from material scientists studying natural adhesive surfaces. The venom of bush vipers is a cocktail of proteins and enzymes that can rapidly disrupt blood clotting mechanisms. Their presence is sometimes only confirmed by the tracks or shed skins left behind, rather than direct sightings. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.